Hello there, this is your Tito Pabs, and welcome to my motovlogging era. Okay, so and bubuhayin natin ang ating page and also this channel. So kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, might as well consider subscribing, liking the video, and maybe sharing it to your friends. So you have to forgive me. You have to forgive me dahil tunog may sipon ako because of the balaklava na nakaharang sa bunganga ko, no? And on top of that, naiipit yung pisngi natin sa helmet. Right. And hopefully you can hear me clearly with the sound of the exhaust note coming out of the back of this beautiful motorcycle. And shout out kay sa Muff City. And sila po yung nag-custom made or custom build ng ating full exhaust system. Yes, full exhaust system, they're very important. Para legal po tayo sa kalsada. Muff City claims 92 to 93 dB, right, of sound, or yes, sound voice level at 3,000 RPM. I'm going to switch you guys to the POV, the riding POV. Ayan. I know hindi nyo gusto makita ito, gusto nyo makita yung daan. So let's go. So naka POV na tayo. We stopped by Petron Cordon Isabela. Yeah, let's ride out. And wishing someday, no? Parang sarap i-sponsor ng Petron, eh, no? Diba? Parang sarap sabihin, this video is brought to you by Petron. Diba? Para tayo nun. Joke lang. Oh, yung mga batang grabe, yung mga idol mo ngayon yung lalakas mag-bike. Oh, nakaka-insecure, no? Makes you wish, makes anyone wish, at my age of course, na sana ganun ka pa kabata, ganun ka pa kalakas. Although it's not an excuse, kasi syempre through training and perseverance, syempre pwede mo namang ma-achieve din yung ganun, malakas ka pa badyak, diba? Pero aminin natin sa ganitong edad, diba? Mga 30 na talagang medyo marami nang iniinda yan. Masakit na likod ko, ganyan. Okay. Alright, so nabanggit ko kanina onset of the video, this is my motovlogging era. Yeah. And actually it started from nowhere. It came from nowhere. And so i-share ko sa inyo yung ano ba, wait lang, ayan, i-share ko sa inyo yung what led me to this point. So between 2 to 3 months ago, I was at a dark place. It was a dark place, and dumating sa point that I was having dark thoughts as well, and lagi yung sinasabi sa sarili ko na you do not have the luxury, aray ko sakit, ayan, you do not have the luxury to feel that way kasi madami kang responsibilidad. Ayan, di ba? Marami kang kailangang, in short, marami kang kailangang bayaran. Alipin tayo sa lapit, di ba? Alipin tayo na sa lapit. So maraming kailangang gampanin. So yun, I kept on telling myself that I cannot feel this way. I need to do something about it. So every day, sabi ko nga, although nabasa ko to somewhere, waking up and deciding to walk away from your bed could be an achievement, could be your biggest achievement sa isang araw. And for how many days and weeks I felt that way. Ganun. And then I kept asking myself kung kailan ba matatapos ko. Right? When will this end? So I kept asking myself that. Kailan matatapos? And then the dark thoughts started to come in. Tapos dumating sa point na I was so convinced that it is it. This is it. No? Na ayoko na. This is so exhausting. And I never told anyone about this until now. I mean, I told people close to me, pero hindi not in such a manner na ganito kadetalyado, I would say. So yeah, forgive me for rambling, but basically this is the reason why I'm doing this right now. Dahil ayokong bumalik sa lugar na yun. So what I did was to revisit some of my old hobbies, gaming, live streaming, even did a little bit of photography, music. Madalas nagigitara ako, even singing and all that, but none of it worked. None of it worked. Well, naging effective siya for how many hours, but after that it did not have a lasting effect. I still end up being so depressed, questioning my very existence. And then one day I stumbled upon videos sa YouTube, nagbe-browse ako ng pwedeng mapanood just to entertain myself, ganyan. And then I saw a video or vlog, moto camping vlog ni Reed. Ayan, ni Idol Reed. So ayun, may ano siya, he was documenting his adventure. Hindi ko maalala kung saan siya nag-camp doon. And then the idea, I started, I mean, unconsciously I started entertaining the idea of mukhang okay yun ah. Mukhang parang napaka-relaxing. It's very peaceful. And here's the experience na nai-imagine ko na when I was watching the vlog. Sabi ko, it is a very grounding experience because it's you in nature. And of course, you will be getting there on top of a bike. Back when I was in high school, I started falling in love with two wheels. Gusto ko magkamotor noon, but my parents are so strict na hindi nila ako pinayagan na magmotor. I was able to drive my own motorcycle college na. Right? I don't blame my parents. Delikado magmotor. Let's face the facts. Mas delikado ang buhay mo pag naka-motor ka. Right? And they didn't want me to harm myself, I guess. Right? And wala naman siguro magulang na gugustuhin na masaktan ng anak, right? So one day I thought of like going on a ride. Didn't know where to go. Pero sabi ko gusto kong mag-ride. Gusto ko lang try ko mag-unwind. And soon I'll let you guys meet Oris. And he's a Honda Click. Yeah. 125 ata. Yeah, 125 si Oris. So ayun. I rode one day. Napunta ako ng Cup of Stories sa Maliko. Yeah. Nalimutan ko na kung gaano kalayo from Santiago to Cup of Stories sa Maliko. But one thing that I will never forget is the experience that it brought me. For the first time during that time, for the first time in how many weeks? Maybe a month? I found myself smiling nung paakyat na from yung Santa Fe parang National Highway, kasi from National Highway sa Santa Fe town proper, kakanan ka paakyat ng Maliko pagkagaling ka ng Isabela. The very first ahon at saka likuan kasi twisties dun I found myself smiling. And that's it. Sabi ko, I'm gonna do this again. So that entire ride became an instant therapy, instant cure. No, not really cure. Kumbaga siya na supplement. So it did not really cure everything, right? Pero I felt relieved. Enough for me to decide na I want to do this. Fast forward to today. Well, actually December 27 to be exact. Here. I got Pupaw. And ang ating 2026 Yamaha XSR 155. And Ayan, kami ang mag-adventure for the next, I don't know, hopefully years, right? Or eventually magka-big bike, magkaroon ng pinapangarap na big bike. Who knows? Because really, one thing that I realized during all these, hindi mo masasabi ang buhay. Yes, there are just so much that you can control, and all the rest we are powerless. Ang cheesy bang sabihin, but I guess we are at the mercy of the universe, right? So, the little things that we can control, we can perhaps choose to either let go or make the most of it. I choose to make the most out of it. I'm constantly choosing, actively choosing to make the most out of it. Araw-araw ko sinasabi pa rin sa sarili ko that this is not the day. This is not the day that people have seen me last. And so this begins. And so this begins. May yeah, so this begins my revived love for motorcycles. So, kung feeling nyo magugustuhan nyo yung mga future content na lalabas, please consider subscribing, maybe liking the video as well. Type kayo ng comment. Baka may gusto kayo share an experience maybe similar to mine. Pag-usapan natin. I'm sorry, got a bit emotional trying to recall the experience. But hey, tao tayo eh. Right? We need to start being honest about how I feel. About how I nakakainis tong nakakainis tong balaklawan, nakakabulol. And we need to start being honest about how we feel, how we truly feel, at least to ourselves. Kasi pag hindi, then you might as well be 6 feet under, right? The essence of living is being in the moment and being honest, being true to yourself that you are feeling this way. You would not go far if you, kahit sa sarili mo, ay tatanggi mo, diba? Okay lang ako, but deep inside you're not. So yun lang. Alam ko madilim na yung video dito sa part na to because it's getting really dark. But yeah, sana makasama ko kayo sa mga susunod pa mga adventures, no? I'd really love to share a lot of this to you guys. To maybe share positive positive vibes, anything that could give you value and maybe wanting entertainment and maybe peace of mind. I don't know. Let's see where the road takes us, or take me rather. or take us. Kami ni Kupal. Kupal sa motorcycle, Koopal. Yung dalawang O para sa gulong. Dalawang gulong. Ayun na. Right? So this is not a sad video. It is a realization that we can live. We can survive. We just need to do so. We just need to choose to do so. So, once again, this is your Tito Pab saying stay down, stay brown. Goodbye for now. Peace.